So what does it take to build a home like this? Over the next few months, we're going to take you through every stage from demolition to hand over the keys. My name's Ish, this is Orb Vision, and welcome to our latest project. So we're a family-run business that's been building houses for the last 20 years. We're going to take you behind the scenes of our latest project. We'll show you real footage, real decisions we had to make on the way, real problems that we encountered, plus go into detail about the work that goes into a house built like this. We'll take you through every stage in detail, from the foundations to the concrete pool, the steels going in, heating systems, electrics and plumbing. So whether you're building your own home or just like watching, then please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're thinking about doing your own project, please give us a shout. So my name's Ish, I'm from Orb Vision, and I'll see you on the next one. So book a private appointment at our show home to see the quality of our work. Links are in the description.